Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a quick little cash stuffing of some of my randomizer money and my specific savings challenges that went to certain categories. So I'm just going to dive in because I don't have a lot of room on my phone and I want to make sure I get this done. I'm just taking right off from my video that I did on Sunday. So this is my binder. This is where a lot of the stuff goes. Babe didn't get anything this time, which is kind of crazy. Beauty did. So this is my sinking funds money. This is crazy. It's all ones, but oh my God, there's a lot of 20s. Just kidding. All right, I should have sorted this out first. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of ones. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I know where to come for ones. Okay, so Beauty is getting $44. So that's 24 ones and a 20 going into Beauty. Yep. So I don't normally do videos on Wednesday, but I needed to kind of put this video somewhere. So I hope you guys are having an okay week. So Beauty is done. Let's see what else we have. Hair didn't get anything. Clothing, no. Hobby's got stuff. Hobby's got $65. As we all know, that will end up in savings challenges. So 10, 20. I think that is going to be $65. Coco, hush. Coco, it's okay. All right, $65 going into hobbies. I got a little carried away with the ones. So, all right, so 65 is in hobbies. Let's see, anything else in here? Spa is getting 100. That's kind of awesome. Okay. Volunteer dues didn't get anything. Okay, I think this binder is done. Let's go to Jake and Coco is getting 74. All right, so we have 74 in here. Okay. Nothing for household. Really? Nothing for landscaping? Well, I can put some from the randomizer. Tech. Okay. I think we're done with that one. All right, let's see what we got in this binder. Okay, nothing for credit card or Amazon. Car maintenance got 92. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1 and 2. So in car maintenance, I have 1, 2, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 10, 15, 16, 17. Cool. Definitely had to use some of that on my car a couple weeks ago, so I'm glad that's coming back up. So car maintenance. Did travel binder. So holiday I'll do in a second, and we have medical. Should be in here, and that is getting 60. 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. So we have 60 and 50 is 110. And then the rest should be $100, which will go into Christmas, which I'm just going to add to these guys. So, oh my gosh, these ones. Beautiful. 50 to 50, and then this was 50, so we have $100 going into Christmas. Some of this money, not this money, but some of this money might end up to some of my Christmas in July and Sharkmas challenges that I'm doing throughout the month. But most of it will get stuffed, so I will stuff all of that into my holiday binder shortly. All right, so I'm doing okay with time. It's been like 7 minutes. I'm like flying through this. So this part's done. So now I'm going to take this money. Instead of doing a randomizer, I am going to just go through and see what my envelopes need and stuff it that way, because for time's sake and just because I'm throwing everything at debt, I have not been putting a lot of money into randomizer, so I figured this might be the easiest. So I'll start with my high priority, which is this binder. Obviously pups are first. I'm going to put $50 in here, and I'm just winging it. I'm just going off of what I feel like I should put in there. So let's see, 20 and 30. So in the pups, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 125. Now that we have 3 dogs, I'm like, we really need to, like, I know I'm crushing debt, but I also feel like I need to add more to, like, household for, like, some cleaning stuff, and not that they've been messy. I'm more messy than they are. And just adding to, like, the pups emergency fund. So household, I think I'm going to do 20 because I know we are running low on some things. I think that will get me the laundry pods I need. All right, so that's household. Landscaping, I'm going to do another 55. That will keep us a month ahead, which I really like that I can do it this way. So I know I have money for a month ahead. So we have 2 landscapes worth. He should be here in the next week, and then we have one for August already. That's awesome. So tech, I think I'm going to add 15. And this is just like, I don't know, if Microsoft or Windows or antivirus or, I don't know, one of those things that will buffer whatever I forget to budget for. All right, so that's that binder. This is kind of the medium one. This is what ends up getting most of it, because this, I feel like, gets forgotten. Except for Babe. Babe never gets forgotten. Oh wait, that's my binder. Let's try this again. All right, so now we have, let's see, we have Amazon Prime. That comes out in, I think, the end of January. So we do have time. Let's see what we have. We have 35. Let's just do a 20, so it's 55. 60. We have $60 in there. Let's see, credit card fees. Let's see what we have. Same thing. Let's do 25. So now we have 60 in that one too. Car maintenance. I already forgot what we have in here. 20, 40, 60, 81. So we have $317. 320, 340, 350. So we have $350 in here. That's pretty good. Okay, and then car smog, we have nothing. So let's do 20. Let's do 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I had to renew my driver's license. So that, I think, emptied out what I had in there. YNAB, I haven't been putting anything in here. I think I have a savings challenge or two, so that's $32. Let's put in 8. 2 and 3, so we have 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we have $40. It's not due till next March, so I feel like that's great. Medical. Let's see what we have in medical. 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 110. 10, 20, 30, 40, 140. 150. Ugh, taxes. I'm just not mentally prepared to put taxes in there yet. Okay, now here's my binder. Let's see, Babe doesn't have anything. I'll give him 20. And this is just little incidental things. It could be anything. I'd like to get that up higher, but we'll get there. Beauty. I think I have 60 in here. Yeah, I have $60. I'm trying to get a pedicure. That should do it. Okay. Hair. I have my appointment soon. So 180, that should be plenty for what I'm doing. And tip. Clothes has nothing. Let's do 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And full disclosure, whenever I put money in here and the money goes away, 9 times out of 10, I'm taking it out and just putting it towards savings challenges. Sometimes I do savings challenges when I'm not filming, like during the week. It's my hobbies is not getting any more than that. Spa has 100. Let's do 110. Volunteer dues. All right, volunteer dues is getting 5. Local adventures. I gave Babe the money we had last time. let's just throw this $7 in my little Eva envelope, which again will probably just be some savings challenges that I do off camera during the week. Right, that's not this video. That was the video prior. Okay. I did it. Oh my God, you guys, I made a video under 20 minutes. I mean, I flew through that, but so that is my randomizer money going into my binders. Short and sweet, but I wanted to make sure I got it done. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week. Don't forget about my live tomorrow, and make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell so you can get to know all the fun stuff I'm going to do leading up to and during Shark Week, which starts July 20th. So hope you guys have an awesome week, and until next time, take care. Bye.